Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to clear cookies and site data in Google Chrome app on Android. So this is my Android device, so let us start. So first of all you have to open your Google Chrome app. So here is my Google Chrome app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and after that you have to tap on this three dots at the top right, and then you have to tap on this settings, and then you have to tap on this privacy and security, and then you have to tap on this clear browsing data. And you can see guys, I have this clear browsing data this screen opened, and you can see here I have two tabs, a basic and advanced. So currently I have this basic tab selected, so you have to tap on this advanced this tab in order to select this. Let me tap on this. You can see I have this advanced this tab selected, and you can see here we have various options like browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. So you can see guys, currently I have all these options checked. So you have to uncheck all other options except this cookies and site data. So let me uncheck this browsing history, this cached images and files, this saved passwords, this autofill form data, and also this site settings. So you can see I have only this option checked, this cookies and site data. And also let me tell you guys one thing, that if you clear cookies and site data, it signs you out of most websites. But if you are signed in to your Google account, you won't be signed out. And also you can select the time range. So currently I have this set to last hour. So in order to select different time range, you have to tap on this drop down this button. Let me tap on this, and you can see I have other options: last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, and all time. So just go to the option that you want and then tap on it to select it. So I want to select this all time, so let me tap on this, and you can see I have this all time this option selected. So let's clear this cookies and site data. So in order to clear this, you have to tap on this clear data, this button at the bottom right. So let me tap on this. So it's now cleared. After that you can go back again and start browsing. So that's it. In this way you can easily clear cookies and site data in Google Chrome app on Android. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.